Hey, I'm Cyrus. Welcome to this crazy focus challenge meditation that's going to sharpen and heighten your focus, attention, awareness, and calmness in a short amount of time. We're going to start with single focus points and then graduate to dual focus points and warm our way into practicing focusing on 3 things at the same time. If that sounds crazy, it is. It's the Crazy Focus Challenge. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. Have fun with it. No matter how far you get with it, consider it a win. And don't be afraid to keep practicing and improving. Start off by getting into a comfortable position, upright in a chair, with your eyes closed or open on a spot in front of you, whatever feels intuitively most helpful to you. Take a slow, deep breath in, fill your entire body up with the breath. And slowly exhale. Allow your exhalation to be super slow and long, allowing your muscles to relax and release as you do. Remember to allow yourself to breathe as you go through the focus challenge, and I'll give you prompts to remember to do so. Keep in mind you'll do better if you stay relaxed and focused, as opposed to tightening, tensing, or trying too hard. So allow yourself to stay chill and in a flow. Imagine your attention is like a spotlight and move it in a rhythm from one spot or focus combination to the next, dropping the previous point or combination from your awareness as you move to the next one. Start off by bringing your attention to your tongue. Notice the sensations of your tongue. And now move your attention like a spotlight to the palm of your right hand. Move to the palm of your left hand. Move to the sole of your right foot. And now to the sole of your left foot. And now shifting into dual focuses, 2 things at the same time. Be aware of the soles of both of your feet at the same time. Let that go now and shift your focus to the palms of both of your hands at the same time. Letting that go now and shifting to the tips of your index fingers. Letting that go and being aware of the tip of your right index finger and the tip of your tongue. Letting go of the finger and being aware of the tip of your tongue and the tip of your nose. Letting go of the tongue and being aware of the tip of your nose and the top of your head. Remembering to breathe and allowing your body to stay relaxed as you focus. And now shifting to 3 focus points at the same time. Don't think, just balance your attention intuitively and instinctively as best you can. Being aware of the top of your head and the soles of both of your feet. Letting go of the top of your head and being aware of the soles of both of your feet and your stomach, feeling the energy at those 3 spots. letting go of the soles of your feet and being aware of your stomach, your right elbow, and your right shoulder. Letting that go and being aware of your right shoulder, the left side of your chest, and your belly button. Letting all three of those go and being aware of your left hip, your left pinky finger, and your left middle finger. Letting those go and being aware of your right thumb, your right earlobe, and your right big toe. Letting those go and being aware of your entire head, your entire right hand, and all the sounds in the room around you. Letting those go, remembering to let your breath flow naturally, allowing your body to stay relaxed. And finally, being aware of your entire body head to toe and all the sounds in the room around you. Feel the details of the sensations in the body head to toe getting stronger as you hear the details of the sounds more clearly, moment to moment, relaxed and balanced. See if you can drop thoughts and distractions and stay with the sensations head to toe and the sounds in a relaxed, focused way for a few more moments, strengthening and training your focus. Take a deep, slow breath in and allow your breath to roll out through your mouth in a long, slow exhale, effortlessly allowing the muscles to decompress, soften, and release even further. Notice how you feel. Notice any shifts in your calmness or the clarity and detail of your focus. And feel free to sit and enjoy the state that you're in, just being in that presence as you are. And if it's useful for you to carry this state of mind into your next activity, please do so when you feel ready, taking your time to warm back up into a rhythm, carrying this sense of clarity with you. If you enjoyed this process, practice this and other sessions regularly to strengthen the muscle of presence, focus, and calmness and make it consistent on a daily basis. Thanks for taking this time for yourself today and have an amazing day.